A Pakistani senator recently hailed the China-built Korout hydropower project as a success story of the China-Pakistan economic corridor.
The Korout project is a success story of CPEC, and CPEC is a success story of the Belt and Road Initiative. In a short span, the project has delivered. And the project has delivered ahead of schedule at less cost. And it's made a qualitative difference to the economy of Pakistan, to Pakistan's energy security, and it's also made a difference to the lives of the people here through the corporate social responsibility of the Three Gorges company.
Located on the Jhelum River in Pakistan's Punjab province, the Korout hydropower project is constructed by the China Three Gorges Corporation. According to Pakistani officials from the project, with an annual generating capacity of 3.2 billion kilowatt hours of clean electricity, the hydropower project is expected to save about 1.4 million tons of standard coal and reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 3.5 million tons each year. Launched in 2013, CPEC is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.